Hi, I'm Sean Jones, General Manager here at Mitchell Toyota in San Angelo, Texas. Thanks for taking a moment to review this brief video.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, iPod adapter, steering wheel controls, heated mirrors, MP3. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2013 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, driver lumbar, cruise control, front floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, four-wheel ABS. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.